ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kumasan postemi A bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hai kini ke number harum.
Komisi benta ban khangla dia ke jingsha thok ki pajba lingba ke cybercrime ke DGP batmai ke kong ida shisha nongrang kala pentep ba ke Tnad Pulit ke dan ke jinge trailang ke bajan baha ba ke sarkar India. Habakren sikilat pathai kubur ba ke cybercrime hapo ke jalla Meghalaya kampanya ha bat ki wei de ke jalla bat dei Halor kani ke Tnad Pulit kala Phah ki Pulit ban Leit Pyntbit nak benta kani ke kam.
Cybercrime is something that we are very limited with. Thankfully, one of the positive sides of the fact that we do not have that good connectivity is that the level of cybercrime vis-a-vis Meghalaya is not as high as in some other states, especially when you talk about frauds, whether it is bank frauds, whether it is people being duped into giving information about saying or transferring money, etc., etc. Cybercrime is something that we're working very closely with the government of India. I4C has been coordinating. We do have a number of nodal officers. There have been a number of SOPs that have been put in place. But like you said, despite all of this, we've seen an increase in cybercrime. So yes, that would be another focus area. And we have sent some people in for training for hunting, but cybercrime is such that it's such a fast, it keeps evolving. One modus operandi is being used in one instance, 2, 3 instances successful, then we move on to something else. So we have to keep updating ourselves on that also. So that is something that is an ever-changing challenge, and we are trying, but not very much success on that. I can talk to you about how the government investment, as you say, 2 years back. But I presume at that point of time, yes, I would say yes, it was not as much as what we had wanted. But I've been told that in the last couple of years that there has been an increase. So I will look into that and see whether we need to go back to the government as to whether there is necessity for augmentation of that. I think that there has been improvement in that, especially when it comes to NDPS cases. But for the other cases, no, we still have to send out. Ballistics and Chemicals Division, I know, is pretty good. We're not sending cases regarding that out. But when it comes to forensic evidence, when it comes to DNA or anything like that, then we do have to send it out. And also, cybercrime forensics is not so great at the moment. We are working on that.